How much sleep do adult dogs need? If you're a dog owner wondering how much sleep your adult dog needs, you're not alone. Understanding your dog's sleep requirements is crucial for their health and well-being. Let's break it down. Adult dogs, unlike their puppy or senior counterparts, have a more balanced sleep schedule. On average, an adult dog needs around 12 to 14 hours of sleep per day. This sleep is not continuous. Instead, it's spread out across the day in the form of short naps and a longer period of rest at night. The sleep pattern of an adult dog can vary based on several factors, including breed, size, and activity level. For instance, larger breeds like St. Bernards and Mastiffs tend to sleep more, often needing up to 14 hours of sleep to recover from their strenuous activities and support their larger bodies. On the other hand, smaller breeds might sleep a bit less, typically around 10 to 12 hours a day. Activity level also plays a significant role. Dogs that are more active, such as working dogs, or those that engage in regular exercise, may need more sleep to recuperate. Conversely, less active dogs might require slightly less sleep. It's also important to note that dogs spend a good amount of time just resting or lying around, which is different from actual sleep. They might look out the window or simply relax without being asleep, so it's not all about the hours they spend sleeping. To ensure your adult dog is getting the right amount of sleep, observe their daily routine closely. If you notice any changes in their sleep pattern, such as increased sleepiness or lack of enthusiasm for usual activities, it might be a good idea to consult with your veterinarian to rule out any underlying health issues. In summary, adult dogs generally need 12 to 14 hours of sleep per day, spread across short naps and a longer night's sleep, with variations depending on breed, size, and activity level. By understanding and supporting these sleep needs, you can help your dog stay healthy and happy.